And I looked over, and I seen the promised land. I might not get there with you, but I want you to know tonight that we as a people must get to the promised land.
That was a great speech from a great man, and the students of Pearl Cone Entertainment Magnet High School combined to pay tribute not only to the man, but to Black history itself and those that made it. The students show you that not only can you learn from teachers and books, but by also using the experience they acquire by doing it themselves. After all, this is the main function of project-based learning.
Learning was done in various other ways outside of your traditional books or your normal lecture. That learning looks differently, but our kids can display that through a different medium.
Freedom of my rights that the government cannot protest. Freedom of speech and freedom of the press. Freedom of my rights that the government can.
I really enjoyed the whole thing, but overall I just enjoy like reaching out to the kids, you know, just giving them something positive to bop their heads to.
Like the deacon who preach, or a teacher that teach. Thank Dr. King for the dream he had to provide Amendment 13.
How me and my peers can come together as one and get this project done.
Right to vote until 1920. No sir, you can't search my house without a probable reason. Invading my private life.
Express myself through a way that I know best, through video production.
By using this method, our students can learn to innovate, create, and communicate, and to make learning fun. After all, this is the mission of the Academy of Entertainment Communication.